We're moving fast, y'all. Oh, what is your blog about, Spongy Go? I like that name, by the way. Very cute. Okay, so now we've highlighted, so now it's time to do some pressing. I hate pressing because I hate the dust gets everywhere, but it's really no way around it. You gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm using this Prolux Onset powder from Dollar Tree. If you're in the building, let me get a couple of likes. Let me get a couple of likes. Just getting the excess off because it's already going to fall everywhere. And I'm just going to hit all the areas I just highlighted. I'm doing this first because when I do my contour, I don't want to end up wiping it off. I'm not quite an expert, so I'm not an expert. So I'm just an everyday girl who likes to do prissy things, who likes to play in makeup and likes to dress up. That's all. Like the majority of us. Isn't that right, ladies? And men. Ladies and gentlemen. See, it gives you that satiny look when you fish, pets, and food. Oh, I have to watch that. I'll be there to support. My dog died of cancer. Her name was Athena. I can't believe y'all don't have any. Oops, I forgot to do this side of the. Okay. Just pressing it in, not wiping it in. Woo! Michael Jackson. This gonna change. It's gonna change, okay? Let me get some of this excess off my brows. That is essential. Yes, I'm using a toothbrush. Makeup toothbrush I use. It's not called a makeup toothbrush, but I use a toothbrush for that. It works so well. Okay, so now it's time to contour. So I'm going to be using this Le Mercerie contour. I got it from Dollar Tree. It's called Lemercerie. Le Mercerie. And I'm learning that it could be the knockoff brand of Laura Mercier. That's supposed to be an expensive. Okay. So I'm going to hit the sides of the nose as close to the bridge as possible. I'm going to hit the cheekbones where the top teeth and the bottom teeth meet. The sides, the corners of the forehead. And the crease in the chin. I have a cleft in my chin, so I always hit that too.